I am lecturer Amir Hussain. Today I will talk with you about law of attraction. That means what you will want, you will get. This is the work of law of attraction. In this universe, we have come as a part of the whole universe. So, the whole universe is a guardian of human being, or the Almighty Creator is the guardian of whole animal kingdom. So, according to the law of attraction, we have 4 steps to do any work. And in the past, the work we have done is the result of present, and what we are doing in the present will be in the result in future. So, we must follow some rules to fulfill our desire of mind. So, according to the law of attraction, we should follow 4 steps to fulfill any desire of our mind. Number 1, wanting. That means you have to want, you have to pray for something to the Almighty Creator or to the universe. And second step is you must believe it. You must very sincerely believe it that Almighty Creator or the universe will fulfill your desire. If you have any suspicion, your subconscious mind will not work, the law of attraction will not work. So, your belief must be strong without any suspicion. This is the very important factor of law of attraction. Number 3, if you sit ideally depending on law of attraction, the law of attraction will not work. You must take action. Number 3 is action. You must take action to fulfill your desire, and your universe or the Almighty Creator will show you the right path or right method to work. Then come to the 4th step, and this is called receiving. After you taking action, you will receive your output, and you must work hard to receive your output. So, these 4 steps when work clearly, smoothly, then your dream will come true, your dream will be successful. So, my dear friends, this is called law of attraction, and if you strongly follow the law of attraction, you will must be successful winning your desire of your heart. And the law of attraction always works logically, and it always works successfully. Thank you, everybody.